Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Melvin Berlina Mirullah. My NPM is 224111025 from Management 22A class. Today I want a presentation about analisis rancangan pekerjaan. Job design analysis is very important in the world of work. Why? Because the first is increase productivity. Job design analysis help organization to identify the tasks and responsibilities that employees should perform. By detailing these tasks, organization can allocate resources and manpower more efficiently, thereby increasing productivity. The second is quality improvement. By detailing every aspect of the job, organization can identify areas that require improvement and development. This can help in improving the quality of product or service product. And the third is job satisfaction. Job design analysis can help organizations understand employee needs and preference. By designing jobs that match the skill and interests of employees, companies can increase the level of job satisfaction, which in turn can increase employee retention. The fourth is employee development. By detailing tasks and responsibilities in the job design analysis, organization can devise more effective employee development plan. Employees can be provided with appropriate training to improve their skill and more effectively perform their job. Cost control. The fourth is cost control. Job design analysis can help organizations in identifying tasks that are not required or can be automated. This can help reduce unnecessary operational costs. The sixth is safety and health. By understanding the tasks to be performed in a job, organization can design safer jobs and minimize the risk of injury or health problems. The seventh is fair compensation. Job design analysis help in determining fair compensation levels for employees based on the responsibility and complexity of the job. This helps in maintaining fairness in the compensation system. The eighth is proper placement. By understanding job design, organization can place employees according to their skill and interests. This helps in maximizing employee potential. And then better decision making. Job design analysis provide the data and information required for better decision making in terms of human resource, organizational development, and strategic planning. And then performance measurement. Job design analysis enable organizations to measure employee performance more accurately. By understanding what is expected of employee in the job, management can better evaluate performance. Overall, job design analysis help organizations achieve higher efficiency, effectiveness, and employee satisfaction, all of which contribute to the long-term success of the company. And then definition job design analysis. Job design analysis, also known as the job design analysis, is a systematic process of identifying, designing, and evaluating job elements within an organization or company. The main objective of job design analysis is to create appropriate, efficient, and productivity tasks and responsibilities for workers while considering the needs of the organization. This analysis involves a number of steps, including the first is task identification, defining the tasks to be performed by worker in a position. This includes determining the type of activities, responsibilities, and skill required. And then responsibility determination, determining who is responsible for each task and activity associated with the job. And then skill determination. It identifies the type of skills, knowledge, and qualification needed to do the job well. And then organizational structure determination determines where the job sits in the organizational structure and how it relates to other position and department. And then workload evaluation measure the extent to which the the job required time, effort, and other research. This help in determining to the extent to which the job matches the capacity of the worker. And then salary and compensation determination determines the salary, incentives, and other benefits that should be pro, provided provide to worker who have the job. And then problem identification and improvement. Find problem in the job design that may be hindering worker productivity or satisfaction, and look for ways to improve them. And then purpose of job design analysis. The first is clarification of duties and responsibilities. One of the main purposes of the job design analysis is to clarify the duties and responsibilities associated with a position or job. This helps workers understand what is expected of them and reduce ambiguity in job execution. And then increase efficiency. By understanding the job in detail, organization can identify ways to improve efficiency in job execution. This includes elimination of unnecessary tasks, reorganization of redundant tasks, and improvement of work process. And then matching qualification. Job design analysis help in determining in the qualification and skill required for a particular job. This enable the organization to recruit, retrain, and develop workers suitable for the job. And then performance measurement. By having a clear understanding of what is expect of the job, organization can more easily measure worker performance. This allows for a fair assessment of the extent to which workers are achieving their goal and task. And then fair compensation. The job design analysis help in determining the relative value of a position in the organization. This is important in determining for fair compensation for worker. Jobs that are more demanding or have greater responsibilities should be compensated accordingly. Career planning. By knowing by knowing the detail of duties and responsibilities in a job, worker can better plan their career development. They can set career goals that match the experience and skills they develop. Worker satisfaction and well-being. Job design analysis can also help in creating more meaningful and satisfying job for worker. By considering aspects such as task variety and challenge, job analysis can improve worker satisfaction and well-being. And then fulfillment of organization goal. Well-designed jobs help organizations achieve their goal and vision more efficiently. By ensuring the job match the need and strategies of the company, job design analysis support the overall success of the organization. By achieving this goal, job design analysis help organizations manage their human resource more effectively and create a more productivity and satisfying work and environment for workers. And then benefit of design analysis. The first is improve organizational efficiency. Job design analysis have identified the tasks required to achieve organizational goals efficiently. By optimizing tasks and responsibilities, organization can save time and resources. Matching job to qualification. By detailing the requirement and qualification needed for a job, organization can better recruit, train, and develop suitable workers. This can result in a more skilled and qualified team. And then improve worker performance. Job design analysis help in measuring worker performance more objectively. Workers who understand their duties and responsibility responsibility tend to perform better and achieve set goal. And then psych, psychological, psychological well-being. By avoiding overloading or underloading job design analysis can help reduce worker stress. Balanced work can improve the psychological well-being of worker. Organizational development planning. Job design analysis help organization plan for long-term development and growth. It enables companies to identify necessary change in job structure as the organization grows and evolves. Fulfillment of legal requirement. In some jurisdictions, job design analysis can help organizations meet relevant legal requirements such as employment equity, minimum wage, and worker rights. Fair compensation. By understanding the relative value of the organization, job analysis helps determine a more fair and balanced compensation. Workers who perform more heavier duties and responsibility usually receive greater compensation. Improve career planning. Job design analysis help workers better plan their career progression. They can identify the skill and experience required to move up the ranks or transition to other job within the organization. And then worker satisfaction. Well-designed job can be more meaningful, challenging, and fulfilling for worker. This can increase worker satisfaction, which in turn can have a positive impact on workforce retention. The conclusion of job analysis is that it is an important process in human resource management and organizational planning that help in detailing, designing, and managing job efficiently. Some of the key points that can be drawn as conclusion are: the first is importance of job understanding. The second is alignment with organizational objective. The third is efficiency and productivity. The fourth is worker satisfaction and well-being. The fifth is career development. The sixth is fair compensation. The seventh is effective human resource management. The eighth is legal compliance. And sekian dari saya untuk menjelaskan materi yang saya bawakan. Saya mohon maaf jika ada kesalahan kata atau pronoun yang saya ucapkan. Saya mohon maaf. Saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.